Hey YouTube, Robert here from Hitch to Horsepower, and some less than great news this morning. As you can tell, it's raining here. It's been a pretty nasty storm. Well, my best friend's dad's Mercedes S Class was here for me to do a little bit of work on it, and it's his old car he drives in the winter. He bought it new. It was great. It was real fun to drive around as a teenager with me and my best friend, but I was driving it last night and I parked it in my sister's driveway. My sister bought the house next door to me, and get up this morning, hear a really, really loud noise, and to find this. Yeah. It also took the power lines down. But it hit pretty good here, and you know, the suspension's flattened out, windshield. But one thing I will say, even these old S classes, you know, this car's 20 years old. The structure for this big tree, I mean, it's not a gigantic tree, but it's a big tree. That passenger cabin is still in extremely good shape. Yeah, you would still be in this. You know, it's still locked, but yeah, you'd be okay. But yeah, it did a job. Well, anyway, I just figured I'd share that. I guess I'm not going to be fixing this up for him for the winter. You know, he has an Alfa Romeo Giulia that he drives, and a Porsche Boxster. But he likes this to cruise around in the winter and not care about road salt and all that. Plus, it is normally just a wonderfully driving, comfortable car. But not anymore. Thanks for watching on a rainy day. And by the way, I made it to 500 subscribers, but somebody unsubscribed to me. How's that possible? Not cool. But I want to thank everybody so much for getting to that point. Now let's get another 500 in there. And I mean, I never thought that I would get anywhere near this many, especially as fast as it is. So I'd like to thank everybody so much. But let's keep it going. Thanks. Bye.